Good morning, grade 5 girls. How are you today? Today we will complete our lesson. What are the inner planets? What are the inner planets? Today is Monday, 6 April 2020. All of you open page 281. Lesson objectives to identify the inner planets and Earth position in the solar system. Students will also communicate how technology has helped people explore space. Explore space. Okay. Today we will complete our lesson about the Earth. We study the four inner planets. Who can remind me what is it? Okay, excellent question. Mercury, Venus, the second one, the third one, Earth, that we will study it today, the fourth one, Mars, we will complete it tomorrow, inshallah. The third planet from the sun. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is also the solar system largest rocky planet. It is, you see here, it is also the solar system's largest rocky planet. Earth is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. The blue part is the water and the green part is the land. In fact, about three-fourths of Earth's surface is covered with water. So most of Earth covered with water. Now Earth atmosphere. Earth is wrapped in a layer of gas that is about 150 meters thick. This is the atmosphere layer. This layer of gas or atmosphere makes life possible on Earth. It filters out some of the sun's harmful rays. So it filters some of the sun's harmful rays. We know that there's some harmful rays from the sun. It also contains nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide and water vapor. So the atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. We study the layers of the earth. We study about the atmosphere, if you remember. Plants and animals uses these gases. You remember that the plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, but the animals and the people take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to support life. I will show you a video after we finish. Now, Earth Moon. Earth has only one large moon which is about as wide as Earth. A moon is a natural object that revolves around the planet. Our moon has almost no atmosphere. Our moon has no atmosphere. Also, it has many craters. Look at the picture here. This is the craters. It's like the Venus also. That forms when meteorites crashed into its surface, formed when kind of rocks crashed on its surface. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. A satellite is an object that orbits another object in space. So a satellite is an object that orbit another object in a space. Now, the gravity keeps the moon revolving around Earth. The gravity keeps the moon revolving around Earth. You see here the picture? As the moon, look at the picture here. As the moon at the pointer revolves around the sun, there are observable patterns of movement. There are observable patterns of movement. Now, Earth and the Moon. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. So, is it the second or the third planet from the Sun? It's the third planet from the Sun. It is also the solar system's largest rocky planet. Earth is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. About three-fourths of Earth's surface is covered with water. Now, Earth is wrapped in a layer of gas, we call it atmosphere, is about 150 kilometers thick. This layer of gas or atmosphere makes life possible on Earth. Its filters out some of the sun's harmful light. It also contains gases like nitrogen, oxygen, as I discussed it, explain it for you, and carbon dioxide and water vapor. Plant and animals use these gases. Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to support life. Now the Earth has one large moon, which is about one-fourth as wide as Earth. What is it, a moon? A moon is a natural object that revolves around a planet. Our moon has almost no atmosphere. It has, as I show you, many craters that form when meteorites crashed into. Now, what is it, the moon? Also, the moon is Earth's natural satellite. A satellite is an object that orbits another object in space. The gravity keeps the moon revolving, as I show you, around Earth, just as it keeps revolving around the sun as the moon revolves around Earth. Now, there are observable patterns as I show you in the previous slide. For example, the moon appears in different places in the sky at different times of the day, month and year. Month and year. If you remember, I told you that the moon takes to revolve around the earth 1 month or 28 days. Now, the circle below represent earth and the moon. Measure the diameter of the large circle and multiply it by 3. That would be correct distance from earth to moon at this scale. Draw the two circles in the space provided. Use the correct distance you found. So you have the correct distance between the Earth and the Moon. You draw it, all of you. And now let us see the video about the Earth. All of you listen, please.
Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of a mixture of gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen, that wrap around the Earth like a blanket. The air of our planet is 79% nitrogen and just under 21% oxygen. The small amount remaining is composed of carbon dioxide and other gases. Without the atmosphere, we will not be able to live here. Those gases protect us by blocking out dangerous rays from the sun and making Earth a perfect habitat for plants and animals. The Earth's atmosphere has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Atmospheric gases become thinner as you go higher. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It begins at the surface and extends to between 7 kilometers, 23,000 feet, at the poles and 17 kilometers, 60,000 feet, at the equator, with some variation due to weather factors. This part of the atmosphere is the most dense. As you climb higher in this layer, the temperature drops from about 17 to minus 52 degrees Celsius. The troposphere is known as the weather layer since snow, wind, and rain stick to this layer. The stratosphere starts just above the troposphere and extends to 50 kilometers, 31 miles high. Compared to the troposphere, this part of the atmosphere is dry and less dense. The temperature in this region increases gradually to minus 3 degrees Celsius due to the absorption of ultraviolet radiation. The ozone layer, which absorbs and scatters the solar ultraviolet radiation, is in this layer. 99% of air is located in the troposphere and stratosphere. The mesosphere starts just above the stratosphere and extends to 85 kilometers, which is 53 miles high. In this region, the temperatures again fall as low as minus 93 degrees Celsius as you increase in altitude. The chemicals are in an excited state as they absorb energy from the sun.
Okay, my dear students, I will share this video with you, and tomorrow we will complete our lesson for